my hair. Gee, thanks. Just about it. Hi guys, it's Ariana Grande. I don't actually know why I'm being so weird. Welcome back to my channel. It's Sadie and I am absolutely buzzing. Do you know what? It's the best I've felt in a while, because I don't know if you've been following my Instagram, but I've been going through a very like shitty, depressive phase of my life and trying to get out of it. So I thought, what better way than recreating my favourite celebrities' looks and hair? Like, of course, I was jumping out of bed this morning for the first time in weeks, so I have to say thank you for that. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be doing different Ariana eras, but making them into like wearable outfits that you can wear today. Yes, I have full-on bought new ponytails for this. They're all from Lullabellz. I'll link everything below because they are just banging. Like, I don't know though, because I actually feel personally victimized by my baby hair. Like, I don't know anyone that struggles with baby hairs this much. Like, I've always wanted to be one of those like sleek bitches on Instagram that just have like ponytails and plaits and it just looks banging. Could never be me. Ariana to me is just like, if she died, I mean fucking God forbid, I would actually cry. Like, I've seen her in person, she's incredible. I relate to like every album, every song I relate to in some way. Like, she has songs to get in your feels. She has songs for like making you feel like a bad bitch. Like, mate, add Step On Up to your Spotify album right now. I literally, you should, it's my walk-in song. It's my main character walk-in song. All the outfits are gonna be Missguided. Woo! I picked them because I feel like they have so many clothing options. Like, I knew I was gonna be able to do all the fucking albums. Let's get into it. Thank you. First album we're going to start with, you're going to see a lot of black leather. If you've guessed it right, it is Dangerous Woman. Please, any Arianators? What are her fans called? I am one of them. I should know this. Arianators. Oh my god, I don't even want to. Arianators. Oh my god. Right, forget it. Don't come for me, but I never really listened or got into her when she was doing like Yours Truly and My Everything. Is it worth a listen now? Missguided had some Halloween bits, and yes, I found these cute little lace bunny ears, which, you know what, I might actually reuse for Halloween. Kind of going off her album cover, she had like an all leather look. Got this like little corseted like black leather number, which I thought was very a little bit cheeky, a little bit sexy. Then to finish off, I got these sort of like wide leg leather trousers, which I also kind of just wanted for autumn. I thought you could definitely wear them now, but I did get a size 10 and I have gained weight, so I don't really know why I ordered a 10, but we're gonna try it anyway. This choker, what screams 2016 more than a choker? Like, I think she definitely wore them a lot in her videos, so that I feel like it's really just gonna tip it over the edge. It's gonna make it, you know, all come together. Right. Oh my gosh. Like a bad bitch. I look like some sort of dominatrix. Like, I swear, whatever Ariana wears, she looks like cute, whereas when I wear it, it just looks a bit, you know, a little bit saucy. But chokers, I have actually missed chokers. I think they look really good. Do you just remember 2016? We would not leave anywhere. We wouldn't leave the house without a choker. Like, you had to have one. It was a simpler, happier time. Like, I would go back to 2016 in a heartbeat. Surprisingly, these trousers fit me. I know, I'm shocked too. I mean, they just about did up, but it's very soft leather. It's sexy as hell. It really pushes the boobs in. Look, it's like a little tie. I actually love it. It's very flattering. It's just the right amount of sexy, but also classy. And it's a zip back. I got a 10. Trousers have like a little like flare out at the end, so I'm thinking I could wear them with Jordans, but ooh, I just feel very snazzy in this. I feel like the straight sleek ponytail goes best with this look. This colour is chalk brown from Lullabellz. Do you know what, they're actually stocked on Missguided too, so when I leave the links you can get all the outfits and the hair from Missguided. What, like, it's just absolutely convenient. Imagine turning up to Halloween. Oh my god, the ears make it 100%. This is like, I'm getting ready for Halloween. Let me know if you want me to do like Halloween outfit ideas, because Halloween is my favourite time of the year. I just come alive. I have a black soul and I have such dark humour. Like, even as a kid, I loved like scary stuff. Kind of got this like masquerade mask. I feel like I look like it. Did I just call Ariana it? Imagine being able to sing like that. Definitely an option, guys, for Halloween if you want to go as like Ariana / leather bunny vibe. Oh, I've done so well for the first outfit. Let me know what you think, babes. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and get changed into the Sweetener outfit. So transitioning into Sweetener era in 3, 2, 1. Woo. Then you come through thought I did something then. Like, no one wanted to hear that. Obviously, Sweetener era is just like all about the pink candy tones, hence the name Sweetener. I went for a low pony instead. This is the grande length, the wavy ponytail. So the last one was a straight, this is the wavy, and this gives me like the sort of God is a woman energy. But let me tell you, I don't think they're the best for doing low ponies, if I'm honest. I've had to clip it so much just to get it in. The high pony, it definitely feels more natural to be up high, like it flows better. So that's one thing I will say if you want to get one, but maybe you'll be better at hair than I am. Like, I'm just terrible at hair. And then a cute little side like swoop thing. I've gone for a few more accessories just to jazz it up, like this little Playboy necklace. And also I added a pink lip because I definitely felt in this era she was wearing a lot more like a gloss and stuff. So this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu, and it is just gorgeous. This is sort of like a sweater dress. It's really thick. Like, I did not understand it was going to be this nice material. It's like a suede, but in, oh my god, that is 100% Ariana now. She's always like walking around like this, isn't she? Inside is like this amazing material, very nice suede. It's a gorgeous like dusky mauve, perfect for autumn now, lounging around the house. Definitely got the Ariana energy. I am into it. This is definitely when she started going out with Pete Davidson, because I know the song is on the Sweetener album. What's your favourite song on the Sweetener album? Oh, what's mine? Successful. I play the song Successful. I think I said this in another video. Whenever something goes good in my life, I'm like, it feels so good to be so young and have this fun and be successful. But the most important accessory of the Sweetener fit are these boots. Oh my god, Missguided came through with these purple snakeskin calf boots. They didn't have a big section of like knee-high boots. Obviously that is the most classic Ariana thing ever, but I thought this would definitely give a little nod. They're a chunky heel, so I'll definitely get wear out of these, and they look like they'll be comfy, easy to walk in. So let's just get these on with the fit and hope it goes together. Oh, they feel really nice and comfy. Like, damn, she like walks along with Pete Davidson. She did way more paparazzi shots of him. Like, she'd always be walking like, oh, no paps please. And then he was so much taller than her, and I was like, this is just hot. But obviously she's with her bae Dalton now, and I wish them all the love, light and happiness. Yeah, I'm so feeling these boots. I kind of like that it's pink and a hint of purple, but I mean, I think I smashed it with this like fit. I got this in a size 10, these in a size 5. One thing I will note about the boots is they do not have a zip. So if you have bigger calves, I know a lot of people struggle with this. I've definitely ordered boots before that do not do up on my calves. Like, they might not go up. So if you have like wider feet or yeah, like muscly calves, they might not go up on you. I really love them, and can't wait to wear stuff like this out. Like, am I actually okay? Now we're gonna move on to thank you next. Why am I being so annoying? Like, shut up. I went to see the Sweetener tour, and where she performed like Sweetener and Thank You Next, and honestly I was like, she is a performer. She's literally this big. She's tiny, but the voice that comes out of that girl, nah, it was a beautiful time. I really hope, because I know she's releasing REM Beauty and stuff, I really hope that she doesn't do a Rihanna and just not bring out any more albums, because I don't think my heart can take it. She's got me through dark times, ladies. Okay, shut up, let's go. Thank you. Right, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking already. You're going, Sadie, that isn't really a thank you next outfit. Well, I would like to beg to differ. Granted, this is the one I kind of struggled with the most, just because I had a very clear vision. Like, I wanted to do like the video, the little check skirt, the Regina George outfit, and because I was picking it all from Missguided, they just didn't have that, and I was like, well, no, I'm gonna still make it work. Anyone who's seen her Sweetener tour outfits, you'll know she wore this, like these kind of colors, the purples, and it just does remind me of those two eras really. I love the big puff sleeves. It's denim, so it actually feels unreal quality. I got a size 10 at the bottom and it fits perfectly. Like, I would definitely wear this out 100%. I actually got the top in an 8. I don't know what it is, but on Missguided I'm a skinny legend. I don't know if I've got really narrow like shoulders, probably because I fucking slump over. Yeah, I always get their tops in an 8, and it's crazy to think that like in some shops I'm an 8, in some shops I'm a 14. Like, it's mental. But yeah, that's just a little tip I have. This is how it looks from the back, so all covered. And the hair, oh my god, this is my favorite piece from Lullabellz. So it's like a half up, half down, and I definitely think, do you know when she was performing on Ellen and she was like, thank you. No, she definitely went back to this hairstyle. So you get like clip-ins for the bottom to do like the long bit, and then you get a mini ponytail one. I'll say this one's pretty easy to go in, and then I've just added a little like fringe with my own hair, and I just think, yeah, I'm feeling it. I know, like, I can probably say it's the least accurate one, but I still really love it, and I'm happy with how it came out. Next favorite song on that, 100% in my head. Like, if you've ever listened to the lyrics of that song, it's kind of like being in a toxic relationship. Listen to that song, because it's about how you like idolize someone, you make them up in your head to be this like amazing person, and then when you realize you're like, I actually made them up, it's like, look at you, boy, I invented you. I love this. But I'd probably just wear like my like white boots or something, just to get that, you know, the Ariana vibes. You know what, this video has actually made me so much happier. Like, I'm glad I actually got up and it did this today, because I forgot how much I actually love dressing up. I definitely want to get back to doing more like celebrity creations, Halloween, like things that I actually enjoy and not just what I think I need to put out on Instagram. Also, was this the year she won Artist of the Year? Did she win it? Has she won Artist of the Year yet? If she hasn't, that's actually shocking. But yeah, we're moving on to the final look, which is obviously going to be the most recent album, Positions. So yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, final look, Positions album. I can honestly say, after this, I never want to see a ponytail ever again. Like, I love them. This is the short grande one, like the sort of 60s vibe one. Absolutely gorgeous, but the amount of times I've tackled with these ponytails today trying to get them in. 4 ponytails, no one needs to be wearing 4 ponytails in one day. But let's break down this look. Oh, I just feel like Positions, like, I know a lot of people don't like it, but I really enjoyed the album. Like, I listen to it all the time. I think a lot of people don't relate to it because it's where she's like proper fallen in love. People prefer like breakup albums, but mate, Safety Net, banging. I've gone for like the presidential vibe, like the Positions video, so I'm going for like a Jackie O tweed moment. Also green, she switched her colours to like more green in this album, and this is serving everything I needed it to and more. Like, it's actually a 3-piece, but because I'm so short, I don't know, there's like a corset in the skirt. I think on someone tall you'd see your skin, but I'm 5'3", and it still works as kind of like a tailored little dress. Such a gorgeous thick material and a lovely shade of green. You could definitely wear all these pieces separately. And then I thought I would go even more like 60s with the jewelry. I got this look, it's like a Vivienne Westwood dupe necklace, which I thought was so good, especially if you're on a budget. Little pearl earrings. I honestly feel like I'm about to rock up to the White House. Like, let's go. I actually feel like it's such a vibe with the blazer off. Like, I'm 100% gonna wear this top out with trousers. Really into it. And I've just paired it with these little white boots, just classic calf boots. Honestly, I've had these for years and they go with everything. So yeah, what are we thinking of the Positions look? I'm like actually sweating. It's very thick and autumnal. I kind of wish there was a button, but it's still cute. If not, like, I'm gonna wear it with an open shoulder. It's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. You have to let me know which one of her albums is your favorite and which one of these looks you like vibing with. Obviously, I'll leave all the links down below. Oh wait, I changed my makeup. I put a bit of Velvet Teddy on and tried to do a bit of, I don't know, I feel like I haven't really done this album justice, because I am planning to do a makeup look soon. You know, a little sneak peek. You heard it here first. So I didn't want to do all out, and it's literally nearly 6 PM, the light's going in. I spent all day doing this, so you better, like, for that, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you like these kind of celeb inspired videos, please let me know. I hope you have the best week, and I'll see you very, very soon.